1.7-ounce bottle of Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Regenerating Anti-Age Face Neck Cream Moisturizer helps fight the signs of aging by fading the look of deep wrinkles, including forehead cheek wrinkles. Anti-wrinkle face cream contains retinol, a dermatologist-proven form of vitamin A to fight fine lines, dullness, wrinkles, dark spots, hyaluronic acid, which adds plumping moisture to help hydrate, rejuvenate look of skin. The rich moisturizing wrinkle repair cream with clinically proven results instantly hydrates for smoother skin, smooths the look of fine lines, reduces the look of dark spots in just 1 week. Unscented moisturizer from dermatologist-recommended skincare brand has been dermatologist-tested, suitable for daily use for all skin tones, as formulated without fragrance, parabens, mineral oil dyes. Recommended for use as part of regular anti-wrinkle skincare routine, gentle enough for daily use on all skin tones. It comes from the #1 retinol brand used most by dermatologists. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing. This was another TikTok made me buy. I have sensitive skin and as I am getting older just been getting more zits and the infamous wrinkles. This product does tingle a bit, but the after effect is very well worth a few minutes of tingle.